14 दिसांची ज्युडिशियल कस्टडी फर्मायिल्ल्या माधव खट्टरान जामिना खातीर अर्ज केल्लो. हे फाटभुंयेर वास्कोच्या JMFC कोर्टांत आयज सुनावणी आशिल्ली.
The police came up with a version that it was Madhav who wrote the speech for Gautam, which Gautam ultimately spoke. But during investigation, again it is come very clear that speech was written by Gautam himself and spoken by Gautam. So there is absolutely no any evidence as against Madhav in the present offense. And I am happy that his bail application comes to be granted today itself.
In the case for allegedly hurting the religious sentiments and circulating the derogatory video on social media, the Vasco JMFC court has granted bail to the brother of main accused Gautam Khattar, namely Madhav Khattar, over the furnishing personal bail bond of 10,000 rupees and a surety of like amount. The court, while granting the bail to Madhav Khattar, has observed that Gautam Khattar, during the interrogation with the crime branch, has revealed that the derogatory speech which is under scrutiny was prepared by himself and that was based upon the historical facts, and there is no role of Madhav Khattar in preparing that speech. The court has also observed that the mobile phone used by Gautam Khattar belonged to Gautam Khattar only, and the technical inputs given by Madhav Khattar to the crime branch helped crime branch in arresting Gautam Khattar. The court has finally observed that there is nothing left to investigate related with accused Madhav Khattar, nor there is anything to recover from his possession. That's why he has been ordered to be released on bail.
मजगती गौतम खट्टराच्या सपोर्टांत हरिद्वाराचो स्वामी गोयांत पावलो.
कानून अपना काम कर रहा है, लेकिन जीत सत्य की होगी, ये बात निश्चित है. हम हरिद्वार से आए हैं और गौतम खट्टर जी के लिए आए हैं, क्योंकि गौतम खट्टर जी इस देश के सनातनियों की आवाज़ है.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नायक.